On Instagram, users can earn a sizable income both with and without followers. To earn money, users only need to take on the role of creators and promote businesses or brands that are drawn to specialized groups on social media sites. Even your things can be sold on Instagram. If you've been looking for a way to make money online, don't worry, I will be showing you how to do just that through Facebook in this video. So make sure you follow through till the end. Welcome to the channel. Please smash the like and subscribe buttons and turn on the post notification bell so you do not miss out on future videos like this. Instagram is one of the simplest platforms to monetize without investing any money. You have the chance to earn money from your followers thanks to this free tool. The finest techniques to monetize your Instagram account with few or no followers are the ones I'm about to share with you. 1. Make effective use of Instagram direct messages and high-quality content. When used effectively, Instagram may be used to generate income just by posting and utilizing the direct messages feature. As you may have heard, content is the lifeblood of web marketing. Being current with content marketing trends is crucial if you want to monetize a product or a skill that you have. Here's how to use your Instagram content marketing plan to earn money doing what you enjoy. Number A, select a specific niche. You'll undoubtedly discover an account that you want to emulate, and you have the option of becoming a personal brand. Number B, share some images of your life or self. Your supporters desire an emotional bond with you. The objective is to provide material that focuses on lifestyle and behind-the-scenes topics. If you strike up a rapport with them, you can ask or sell them anything with ease. Number C, concentrate on relevant hashtags that will rank in the top. Hashtags still function, yes. What hashtags do your target markets use to look up goods and services in your industry? Effectively use these hashtags to expand your Instagram audience beyond your followers. Number D, begin by following 25 to 50 people daily. You want to follow people who are considering your goods and services, right? Consider carefully following individuals on the weight loss Instagram pages if you chose a weight loss product. Your chances of even receiving a follow back and sales from them rise when 5 to 10 of their most recent posts are seen. Number E, unfollow those who don't follow back. You must keep a tight eye on your followers if you want your account to develop. So you can unfollow them if they don't follow you back within a few days or a week at most. As a general guideline, you shouldn't have more people you follow than followers. Number F, the more likes you receive, the more credibility you command. Your target audience will return the favor by liking and even reposting content that speaks to them. Spend more time producing excellent content. Nobody wants to follow an Instagram account or a brand if it does not inspire, inform, or entertain them. Number G, standards for Instagram direct messages. Postpone selling right away. If it's challenging to elicit a response from recipients after the initial communication, the message needs to be more tailored. Begin with a strong opening statement. Introduce yourself to your fans and don't forget to say that you enjoy engaging with them. A few lines, not 10, will suffice. You can simply converse with them as friends or inquire about their lives and families. What's their ultimate choice? People either respond with a yes or a no. How many people you've been able to connect with is more important. Keep updating your Instagram page at least once per day, don't forget. You may quickly earn money with this strategy on Instagram. 2. Engage in affiliate marketing. Without a doubt, one of the finest ways to monetize your Instagram account is through affiliate marketing. Only share a link if it will result in an affiliate sale on Instagram that will earn you between 50% and 75% of the sale price. To start promoting affiliate products, you don't need to run your website or blog. This may be done anywhere there is an internet connection, regardless of age. Optimizing your Instagram account. The secret to reaching this goal is having a professional Instagram account. You must know what you're going to post on Instagram after you must have already had a profile or before you consider creating one. Select a niche, then create your profile. Your bio should not conflict with the purpose of your profile. Consequently, you don't need 10,000 or more followers on Instagram to generate money with affiliate marketing. 3. Instagram account sale. This is an additional method for monetizing Instagram. Some people use their growth technique to expand a new Instagram account. Then once it reaches a certain follower count, usually 10,000, they just sell the account. If you don't like the follow and unfollow method for Instagram account building, you can use the hashtag marketing strategy to increase your following. This method has been shown to increase Instagram account growth and revenue. 4. Sign up to represent a brand. If you are a successful influencer, you may have the opportunity to work as a brand ambassador. This frequently occurs when a business wishes to work well with you and create a specific amount of posts over time, sometimes even indefinitely. You might be asking how feasible this is if it sounds amazing. It's highly likely. The whole fact is that to become a brand ambassador, you must have a sizable fan base. You should be aware that every business needs a sizable audience for its goods. You must be an excellent storyteller to succeed at this. You can just take lovely pictures of incomplete products while you're cooking, traveling, or even putting together various outfits. Depending on your following numbers and interaction rate, you can either become a micro or macro influencer. This is a simple approach to monetizing your Instagram account, especially if you have a sizable fan base. 5. Highlight your freelance work. Do you provide any independent freelancer services, such as blogging, art, house cleaning, or even pet sitting? To get clients, you can also promote your abilities and services on Instagram. By simply exhibiting your work in the photographs you consistently upload, the goal is to draw in new customers. If you're a photographer, showcase some of your excellent and beautiful work to make your profile stand out. Even more so, sharing your brand story and organizing your profile have been simpler thanks to the Instagram story highlight. With the aid of websites like Canva, which allows you to make shareable posts with embedded quotes from your writing, writers may also perform miracles. There is a paid edition of Canva as well as a free version. Consequently, if you want to make money from your skill, this is a fantastic route to go. 6. Hold competitions and giveaways. People love free goods, therefore they'll swarm your Instagram profiles because of this. You can take your time to produce posts with excellent discounts and exclusive deals. You'll be astounded by the engagements on your posts if you start conducting campaigns like this. To make your gift appear more exclusive, try evoking a sense of urgency. Decide on a time frame or the number of submissions. It significantly boosts engagement, which would invariably boost your sales. 7. Train people on Instagram marketing techniques. Why won't you instruct aspiring influencers on how to realize their goals for Instagram marketing if you are an Instagram influencer with a sizable following? Many well-known influencers have started side companies where they provide webinars and tutorials to those who are serious about growing their Instagram followings. You'll need to have a well-established Instagram page with a sizable following if you want to be successful at this. Using resources like YouTube, you could also produce pre-recorded webinars, even though some influencers charge more for live or private tutorials. To conclude this fascinating topic, it is crucial to point out that we firmly advise you to develop a blog in addition to your Instagram marketing approach. We also hope that this essay significantly answered the queries you had. You need to take the given verified steps to generate money on Instagram to succeed with Instagram. If you feel that what you heard was helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification to get updates whenever we drop a new video. Don't forget to smash that like button and comment in the section below if you have any contributions.